Okay, welcome to my apartment. This is the Genkan where we take off the shoes and put them in here. Right here is where usually I get my bills. And then I just sit here and open this thing up and then woohoo, gotta pay bills. Here I keep my skateboard and my umbrella because, you know, the wheels are really dirty and then all the water kind of is on the umbrella. So I kind of just leave that there. And then over here we have just the junk drawer where I just keep a bunch of random miscellaneous things. Really not too exciting. So I just close that. Here I usually put like my pizza or my backpack, my masks, money, bills, anything. So I like to keep this area clean. So like once I come in, I can just bam, put it right there. And then right below that is where I keep all my shoes. So let me open this up for you. Now, this is the most shoes I've ever owned in my life. So I have my work shoes right here, my like indoor work shoes here, my nicer shoes here, here, and here, skate shoes, I guess everyday shoes, and like my fancy shoes, you know, for work. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice. I mean, it's a lot of space for shoes. So, you know, that's always nice. So here we have this ugly green color. Not sure why they decided to make it green, you know. A nice light gray would have sufficed, or, you know, like a white. They had to do green with green cabinets, you know, like wow. Here's where I keep all of my, I guess, spices when I want to cook stuff. Small sink. Nothing too exciting about this. That's just a sink. Space to actually do work here. Usually this doesn't exist in Japan. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I'm glad I have it because, you know, I can cut stuff and, you know, whip something up. So that's always nice. We have this weird stovetop. It's a IH stove, so you can only use certain pans on this stove or else it will not turn on. I had to learn that the hard way. I bought the wrong type of stove or the wrong type of pan, and I couldn't figure out like why the thing wouldn't turn on. So it would like sit here and turn on, and then it would just beep at me, and it wouldn't get hot. So that was really annoying. But now I know. Got to use a special pan for this. We have the fridge, the toaster oven, and then the trash cans right here. So this toaster oven I bought off Amazon. Pretty good deal. It was like $100, I think. This was also like $100, not too expensive. I don't have any food at the moment. I just have like milk, sauce, salsa, what else? Butter, yeah. So I don't have anything in here. Usually it's completely filled, but I've been doing a lot of cleaning recently because like it's summertime, so yeah, I gotta fill that up. So that's pretty much the kitchen area. I mean, it's really simple. Like, you know, there's not much to it. Okay, welcome to the bathroom. So in here, it's completely sealed off, completely waterproof. You pretty much can get water anywhere in here and you'll be all right. And here's the bathroom. Like this is it. It's really tiny. I usually take showers just in here. I just stand in here or sit, take a bath, something like that. And then here's the toilet, the sink. It's really small. So like I'm in here. Let's see how many steps it is. From here to the tub is 1, 2. And then in the tub, it's pretty deep though. So, you know, tubs back home are really shallow. I like Japanese tubs a lot more because they're just so deep. Like I'm sitting in the tub right now, and you know I'm just sitting down, right? And it comes up to like my chest, so it's really deep. Like you can kind of just chill in here and just relax and just pass out. And sometimes I fall asleep in here because it's just so nice. Feels like I'm in like almost like a hot tub, you know, because the water gets so hot. It's so relaxing. So I definitely like this. It's super deep and it doesn't feel too small for me personally. So I don't mind it. But yeah, this bathroom is just super small, you know. Look at that. All right, you gotta hold on to this thing in order to get out. All right, well, that's the bathroom. Gotta watch your head here for this thing always, because I'm just too tall here. So gotta kind of like bend down and bang, now we're out. All right, moving on to the next part of the room, the best part of the room, and that's the main room. So this is actually considered a 1K, so it's a one room and a kitchen area, which is pretty standard in the middle of Tokyo for somebody who's single and lives alone. Close that. All right, so past these doors, we have the main room. These doors are super loud. I kind of wish they didn't exist. I kind of wish this was just like all one open area, but then it would be a one room and not a 1K. So put up doors, now it's a 1K. Ignore this. This is like a ring light that I bought. It was a little broken. Very hard to send it back because nobody picked up. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna trash this. I have no idea. I have no idea how I'm gonna get rid of this, but yeah, I'll save that for another day. All right, into the room. Welcome to my apartment. So I'm gonna show you guys around and kind of explain my layout a little bit, explain everything that's here, and yeah, that'll be the end of the video. Starting from here, we have the area we just came from, the kitchen, the bathroom, the Genkan. Yeah, you saw all that. So here we have my closet. So let's go to the closet. So in here, we have a bunch of junk. It's a little messy, but I'll still show you anyway. Okay, so here I have my hamper of dirty clothes, book bag. This is a piece of my other bed that I had that I no longer use. Here's my suit, my fancy clothes, more fancy clothes down here. And then here I have just like all my electronics, wires, hard drives, stuff like that, controllers, paperwork that I need to take care of that I'm too lazy to do right now. And then down here, don't look at that. That's, yeah, just don't look at that. So that's that. We also have some carpet down here. So I really like black carpet. I don't know why. I really don't like hardwood floor because, you know, it's just too hard and it doesn't feel nice on your feet. Carpet just feels smooth, nice, and you can just lay on the floor. Who wants to lay on hardwood floor? No one. So yeah, I got a bunch of carpet here. Over here, we have the sim rig. Yeah, so I will probably do a review on this sim rig maybe in the future, in the near future actually. Moving on, we have my scale right here to kind of check out how much I've been, you know, losing or how much I've been gaining. I lost about 10 kilograms since I've been here. It's about maybe how much is that? Maybe 25 pounds. So how much am I right now? Let's see. I'm gonna say 73. Oh wow, I was wrong. 74.9. That's not good. Maybe it's because I've got all this stuff in my hand and I'm wearing all these clothes, but yeah, kind of heavy right now. So here I have my beanbag chair. Always wanted a beanbag chair because, you know, they're really flexible, you know, you can just kind of do whatever you want with them. And yeah, like who doesn't want a beanbag chair? I also have a chair right over here, just a regular old floor chair. And it's actually upside down because this chair kind of sucks. It was like 40 bucks, right? And it doesn't recline. It doesn't recline past like a 90-degree angle. So what I did was I flipped it upside down so that way the chair can recline from the back portion a little bit more, because who likes to just sit up in a chair, you know, like 90 degrees? Like nobody wants to sit in a chair like that. They all want to recline and relax. So yeah. And we have the TV, or I should say the TV monitor. This is I believe like 25 inches or something like that, 28 inches. It doesn't have speakers, unfortunately, but I usually just use my headphones to watch YouTube, Netflix, whatever you want to call it. And down below we have my Xbox. So this Xbox, yeah, nobody plays Xbox here, so usually I'm dumped into like the Western US servers, and I usually just play people there, but playing games here is pretty difficult on Xbox since nobody plays, so I usually just end up playing with my brother. Finally, we have the bed. Yeah, this bed is really thin. I believe it's like maybe a few inches thick. This bed is only maybe, wow, let's see, maybe like 4 inches thick, 5 inches thick. So yeah, it's not the greatest, but you know, it gets the job done. I can sleep. I do want another layer so it feels a little bit more like a mattress, and it does fold up, so that's not an issue. But yeah, having an extra layer on top of this would be a little nicer, so I'm probably going to invest in that. And then outside here we have a balcony that pretty much goes to nothing. Time to open up this door and finish the video. But before we go, I missed one thing, and that's this. So here, whenever I get packages or deliveries, somebody will say something here, and now you just buzz them in, right? So that's that. I don't know what all this is, but up here is where I keep my favorite cars. So we have the Spoon NSX, DC2, EK9, R35, 4, and 2, NSX Type R, another DC2, and another EK9. So yeah, that's where I keep my cars. I do want to get posters on the wall, but I don't think I'm going to be here that much longer because I kind of don't like Tokyo so much. Kind of want to live out into the countryside just a little bit, maybe more along the lines of the suburbs. But yeah, that's where I'm going to cut the video for today. Let me know. Would you guys ever live in the center of Tokyo? I mean, for $500, yeah, sure, it's kind of worth it, but I feel like you could get so much more bang for your buck in the suburbs. So what do you think? Would you live here? Let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.